What's up, YouTube? Today we are roasting this guy on YouTube named Daddy, and he does like tell me reviews. I'm on it on my tablet right now. You can't really see it, but he roasts Beasty. I haven't been watching him. I just started watching him like yesterday, and 3 weeks ago he roasted him. So we're gonna go to this roast and we're gonna watch it. I'm gonna show you my reactions, and then we're gonna roast him back. Cause I already watched this. It's a really just
checking it twice, and
you can hear it in the
you
background.
fuckers have so many reasons to be on this list. I just upload my videos in order to have a family-friendly sort of, channel so people can watch and get entertained. You guys came in here and you said some of the worst shit that I've ever seen on any sort of YouTube platform, okay? I look at the comments and all I see are people making fun of me, and it has to stop. It's so close to Christmas. So close to Christmas. I know you guys want your presents, but you're not going to get them this time because you have been naughty, okay? And that's what this stream is about. This stream is about choosing who's naughty and who's nice. And you bitches have left a pretty long trail of stuff for me to sift through. So hopefully you don't end up on Santa's naughty list, because he's checking it twice. And if you guys were so unlucky that you didn't see my last video, you know that I'm Santa's right-hand nigga. Me and him go way back.
He cuts me so much.
You know I am the co-editor of this list, okay? And I'm gonna get you fuckers on it! So
stop cussing.
I've been looking at it, but they actually
family
some of
friendly.
you guys are saying really naughty shit. Like,
stop
one person
cussing.
said that I was gay, which is not true, obviously. Another person called me a fucking stupid ass. Another one called me a fucking. And another person called me a goddamn.
He beeps it out, but then
I don't even know what that means.
he cusses. Like, what?
But I found out that there's one person bringing all of these people to my channel, okay? And he's the naughtiest. He is the most naughty person on this list.
Sorry for
he's
the
going to
bad
be getting
recording.
0 presents for Christmas. You know what his name is? So fucking mad just mentioning his name. Oh my god, that is disgusting. Yo, dude, you are a furry and a pedophile. Holy crap. Next up, you should bleach.
Is a bit itchy.
This is the last fucking straw with me, okay, buddy? You have trolled me for too fucking long. Your viewers have gone onto my videos and posted too much shit. We are going to end this right now. And
He gets into.
I don't make shit content, okay? I can roast you to the fucking oblivion. First off, what the fuck is up with these pops? Like, really, what adult man buys pops? Alright, they're not even action figures. They're fucking dolls. You legit dead ass collect dolls, and you're calling me
And you collect glasses.
Other people fucking disgusting and shit. What are these fucking monster cans doing right here? Do you not clean that up? Do you not clean up your fucking monster cans? Or do you think that looks cool? Do you think you look cool having monster cans in your scenery? Like, the only person who thinks that's gonna be cool is someone in fucking middle school, which makes sense, because that's all your goddamn demographic is. Kids from fucking middle school. All I see when people comment to my videos are fucking little ass middle school faces, and I wanna roast them too. But it just
So he's gonna get roasted. This like 18 or 19-year-old is gonna get roasted by me.
No surprise that your fucking channel garners so many little kids because you were caught.
Alright, that was a clip of that. So we're gonna roast this boy, huh? First of all, let me turn this off. That might have been playing in the background, just watching some TV again. But first of all, why would you review stuff that you can only get around you? He goes to campus. You can't get that maybe where you live. Yummy Tummy reviews. Horrible video again. Let's see what else he got on here. Beasty. Live viewers roast. Yummy Tummy review banana? What? I got like little stuff here. Alright. Yummy Tummy review. Library of Tearsville. No one cares about you eating bananas. Like seriously, no one cares about your banana eating. Oh, I'm gonna just eat this banana. No, it doesn't have the right taste to it. I don't know what's wrong about it. Maybe I just don't like bananas and I've never noticed. I love bananas. Donald Trump appreciates stream. Bro. That's what? 4 hours?
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Daddy's gonna be putting some nice, yummy, delicious water in his tummy.
I'm commenting on this video on my tablet. CRINGE. Cringe.
What's up? Daddy's back with another food review, but this time we're actually gonna do a drink. And this is a special drink because this is water. Oh my god.
Nice headphones.
Oh
yeah, these are the headphones I was talking about.
I've gone to the beaches,
See?
I've gone to the aquariums, but I've never actually drinking straight up water. Oh my god. I mean, like, it's surprising though. But if it's good enough for the fishies, it's good enough for me. So let's take a sip.
I-N-G.
You know, this tastes a whole lot like nothing. I really don't see what the whole big deal is about it. I mean, it covers like 2/3 of the earth, but it's really not all that good, TBH. You know, this is really bland. Like, oh my god. There's nothing to it. It's just goes straight down. Yeah, there's nothing good to say about this, nothing bad to say about it. This is the most boring drink I've ever had. There's no bubbles.
Oh my god, there's no bubbles. I can't drink this.
Straight up clear. What the hell? I'm thoroughly disappointed.
What do you expect it to taste like? Pepsi?
For this. I see the fishes, they all go around it, they live, breathe, and eat this stuff, and I'm just trying to sip on it, and then I ain't getting anything from it. This is ridiculous.
I just got rid of the funny as that.
I'm gonna try it one more time, and I'm gonna go pinkies up, and if it ain't good, I say fuck water.
Well, you gotta have it to live, bro. Oh. I'm right on the edge of my bed, so I'm like ready to fall off. I don't know why I'm over here.
I don't know if this requires a refined palate or something.
Alright, so we did that. I'm gonna watch that in a little bit. But anyways, this is the roasting part. The roast and roast, what Daddy calls it. This is where we're getting the roast. Why make your YouTube videos? You should just quit. Make her quit it. Make her quit it. You should quit YouTube. You make bad content. You don't even know what family friendly is. 'Cause you making family friendly, that's not even family friendly. Hey. He makes family friendly. That isn't even family friendly. So why make YouTube when you say you family friendly when you ain't family friendly? So why do it when you say you're friendly? But getting into the real part, yeah. Getting into the real part. Here he comes making YouTube videos, saying he sucks off Santa and other people's. He be watching these YouTube, thinking he's a real good. He be thinking he's a real good YouTuber, when all he is a no one. all he is a no one. He might drink eggnog. He might make reaction videos. Even if he did that, he wouldn't be as good. Even if he did it all, he wouldn't be able to fight through. Because he's a little girl. And I'm standing up for beasty. This is a video for him. Roasting daddy back. So if you just want to make more bad content, just go learn on another channel. Make some better content. And the first thing is, this isn't a song. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. I don't know what you want to call it. Just maybe kind of like blowing words in. I don't know though. I don't know though. I don't know though. Whoo! I'm gonna shut my camera. I don't even know though. So what you be doing out there? Making your YouTube videos on bad content? What you be doing when you make the bad content? You be thinking it's good content. Drinking water and saying it's very plain. You say you're never going to drink it again when you have to drink it. Keeps you hydrated. I went to school. Oh! So what this guy does, he makes yummy tummy reviews. Make sure to check Beasty out. He's beasty. And he knows what he's doing. He makes actual nice content and not like daddy making yummy tummy reviews. This water is so plain. Water doesn't have to have a flavor, bro. So this is where we are gonna end this video. So when your contents are really bad, don't make more. This is for BCE. Please react to this video, cause you're a beast. I stand up for you. I'm a subscriber. So for that means goodbye for tonight and see ya all later. Gotta hit the dab before you leave, maybe. And then for all the people that says dabbing ain't my stuff, I got to throw in a couple whip. Nay, get out with me, whip. So for now, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. For now, peace!